Chair, Bwana DG, I have maybe 2 questions or 3. Number 1, what conflict resolution mechanisms have you put in place as a regulator to address challenges within the sector? Section 6 of the regulation provides that a TNC should have a registered office in Kenya. It has come to the realization of this committee that some TNCs do not have local telephone numbers. So why should TNCs operate in Kenya and fail to have a local telephone number to enable clients make inquiries and lodge complaints? Another question. The 2022 regulations stipulates on a pricing formula. So what has NTSA done? What have you developed on pricing formula to guide on the factors that constitute the pricing formula? Last question. This committee, Bwana DG, has observed existence of gaps in regulation on the food delivery business. The TNCs are engaged in delivery of foods. So why is this sector unregulated? Petitioners, these guys who are here, they have complained about pickup distance. They stated that any distance exceeding 1 kilometer is quite far. Transport network companies stated that the farthest dispatch or pickup distance is about 5 kilometers. That's about maybe 10 kilometers away. Is this an area that should be regulated? Last question. The TNCs stated that NTSA did not conduct an impact assessment study on the business model, which was a requirement by the DG before drafting these regulations. So why was an impact assessment study not conducted? Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Let me clarify first a couple of things as I respond to that specific one, so we can give some context to it. The first part was the question that you had asked that by the time they came to give a petition, had we done any activities or any engagements with them prior to the petition? I believe there was one specific question. We'd like to confirm that we sat not only with the petitioners who are here present, but with the entire sector at large in August on the 13th and 14th.
No, we have that information and submission.
Functions of overall responsibility for safety of land, transport, including road, railway, pipeline, and other forms of land transport to the NTSA. DG, if this bill goes through, Nona utalemewa. To wind up there. Because already we are seeing you have been overburdened by so many things, licensing, plates, nini, complaints are all over the country, people are complaining. Sasa itakuwa na